Assalamualaikum. Hi everyone, this is my new channel and my name is MARYAM. Now let's see topic 2 letters word blending. Now let's see start. N or no. M or mo. S E C. B E B. P E P. O in. On. It. 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 Ip. At. At. Up. 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 Ug. Ug. If. Fa. Ra.
Yeah.
Like, share and subscribe my channel.